This is Sharon. In today's breaking news, you will come to know information about PayPal on Russia sanctions, BTC and Ethereum analysis, Ukraine used donated crypto for its military, etc. Stay tuned till the end of the video so that you will not miss any important updates. Bitcoin, Ethereum technical analysis, ETH prepares for rally, while BTC seeks support. Bitcoin remained under the $40,000 level on Sunday, as bears continued to pressure cryptocurrency markets. This pressure also kept Ethereum lower, with the world's second largest crypto hovering around its long-term support level. Bitcoin. Sunday saw the price of Bitcoin, BTC, trade lower for a fifth consecutive session, as it was unable to shake off recent bearish pressure. BTC USD fell to an intraday low of $38,211.65 on Sunday, which was around $500 lower than its bottom to start the weekend. Today's move sees BTC fall to its lowest point since 28 February and is fast approaching its long-term floor of $37,600. As a result of recent declines in price, midterm momentum in the market has shifted, with the 25-day blue moving average closing below the 10-day red MA. This is the first time since 27 December that we have seen such a cross, with the 25-day closing below the 10-day from an upwards position. Such a shift in momentum could signal even more declines in price in upcoming sessions. Ethereum. Although Ethereum ETH was also lower on Sunday, its decline appeared to look more like consolidation than an actual sell-off. Following a low of $2,587.75 on Saturday, ETH/USD had a bottom of $2,595.57 during today's session thus far. This shows that prices are somewhat climbing, despite the onslaught of bearish action currently taking place in crypto markets. A reason why we could be seeing this from Ethereum and not Bitcoin, BTC, is that currently the $2,550 support in ETH/USD seems well defined, as Bitcoin still looks to be in search of its floor. Looking at the chart, the same can be said for the 14-day Relative Strength Index, which also has found support at 41.80, helping to give bulls a firm ground on which to stand on with potential future positions. Is Ethereum setting up for a strong rebound in next week's session? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Ukraine uses donated crypto to pay for military supplies. Government says $50 million in crypto raised in a week. The Ukrainian government announces that $50 million in cryptocurrency was raised within a week since Russia began its invasion of Ukraine. The government has so far spent $15 million in donated cryptocurrency to buy military supplies. Ukraine government spends $15 million in crypto on military supplies. Alex Boronyakov, Ukraine's Deputy Minister of Digital Transformation, revealed Friday that his government has spent $15 million in donated cryptocurrency on military supplies, including bulletproof vests, Bloomberg reported. In a Zoom interview from an undisclosed location in Ukraine, he confirmed that the purchased military gear was delivered Friday. Many people have donated cryptocurrency to the Ukrainian government since the war with Russia began. Mikhailo Fedorov, the Vice Prime Minister of Ukraine and the Minister of Digital Transformation, tweeted Friday that the Ukrainian government raised $50 million in cryptocurrency within 1 week. Most of the donations were in Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether ETH. Now, he aims to double the funds raised to $100 million. Boronyakov similarly said that the Ukrainian government expects to double its $50 million in cryptocurrency donations in the next 2 to 3 days, Bloomberg conveyed. He revealed that 2 days after Russia began its invasion of Ukraine, his ministry found suppliers in the US and Europe for the army, including vests, food packages, bandages, and night vision devices. In addition, the Deputy Minister of Digital Transformation noted that about 40% of the suppliers are willing to accept cryptocurrency payments. The rest are paid with crypto converted into euros and dollars. The ministry is also working with two companies to launch a non-fungible token (NFT) collection to raise additional funds, the publication further detailed. Noting that it could be ready in less than 2 weeks, Boronyakov opined. No one was ready to do military NFTs. The war just started 8 days ago. They are still trying to figure out how to do this in terms of design. Regarding donated NFTs, he confirmed that someone donated a CryptoPint. However, he added, but it's so hard to sell. We haven't used it at this point. We are going to keep it for now. There is no time to figure out how to convert them. Maybe once things settle down, we will figure this out. What do you think about the Ukrainian government using crypto to pay for military gear? Let us know in the comments section below. PayPal joins other payment and remittance providers suspending services in Russia. A number of payment and remittance platforms, now including PayPal, have restricted access to their services in Russia as Western sanctions over Moscow's invasion of Ukraine continue to expand. Fintech companies have been limiting operations in the Russian Federation also in response to Kyiv's call for help. Payments giant PayPal halts services in Russia, maintains withdrawals for now. PayPal, the global online payments provider, has joined a growing list of fintechs supporting Western sanctions against Russia over its decision to invade neighboring Ukraine. The company, which had been offering Russians only cross-border transactions, terminated its services in the Russian Federation on Saturday. Quoted by Reuters, President and Chief Executive Dan Schulman explained the move with the current circumstances, noting that PayPal stands with the international community and condemns Russia's military aggression against Ukraine. The platform stopped accepting new Russian-based users earlier this week. Through a spokesperson, PayPal added, however, that withdrawals will be supported for an unspecified period of time. The payments giant intends to ensure that account balances are dispersed in line with applicable laws and regulations. The announcement comes after calls from officials in Kyiv to suspend services in Russia and support Ukraine's fundraising efforts. The U.S. California headquartered company revealed before the weekend that it had helped raise over $150 million for charities supporting response efforts. The Ukrainian government and local NGOs have also received millions in crypto donations. PayPal's move comes after other payment and remittance platforms had already suspended certain services in Russia by the end of February. These include Wise, which processed cross-border payments for Russian users, and Remitly, which facilitated remittance of funds. UK-based fintech Wise initially imposed a £200, $265 daily limit on transfers to the Russian Federation but later suspended all money transfers as the US and its European allies imposed more restrictions on the country's financial system, including the expulsion of some Russian banks from the interbank payment system SWIFT. As a result of the harsher sanctions, Remitly also discontinued support for money transfers for Russian recipients. Similar measures were introduced by other remittance service providers as well, including TransferGo and Zets. According to crypto media reports, the UK based Revolut has suspended payments to Russia and its ally Belarus, this while an announcement on its website states that the fintech firm is doing everything to ensure its users are able to send money to Ukraine. In a blog post, the company CEO Nick Storonsky highlighted both his Russian and Ukrainian roots and voiced opposition to the war. You can support Ukrainian families, children, refugees, and displaced people by donating BTC, ETH, and BNB to Binance Charities Ukraine Emergency Relief Fund. Do you expect other payment processors to join the sanctions against Russia over its military assault on Ukraine? Tell us in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for regular notifications when we post a new video.